Yo, what is up, guys? FMV here. Make sure to subscribe, like, all that shit. So let's just talk about one thing. If you can look here on my YouTube channel, let's just check this shit out. You know, okay, alright. Okay, let's go to my YouTube channel. Okay, YouTube, right? If you can look at this flipping thing, I haven't been on YouTube for about dang, my view, I'm getting views, man. Fuck, man, fuck. Now look at this. Okay, not this one. Let's go to my channel. Fuck that. Now, I haven't been on YouTube for a month. You look at that. Look at that. A month. Okay, sorry. I didn't know you can't see that. A month. I haven't been on there for a month. Now let me explain why. A lot of shit happened. Okay. Let's just say I was going through some shit. I was thinking, should I do YouTube anymore, or should I like just quit? Focus on studies. And I'm like, should I focus on my studies? I said, let me think about that. Psych, bitch, I'll never focus on my studies. I mean, I was to school for like 12 years. Wait, not 12 years. Like grade 1, grade 2, grade 3, grade 4, grade 5, grade 6, grade 7, grade 8, grade 9, grade 10, grade 11, grade 12. It's 12 years plus like 4 years of preschool. That's 16 years. Then, yeah, and then you get to varsity, which is at least 3 or 4 years. So I wasted 25 years in varsity. Wait, let's calculate that. Okay, so it's 4 years in varsity. 4, then comes plus 12 plus 16. Okay, so 4 plus 12 is 16, right? Then 16 16 like another. So technically I spent 20 years in varsity, right? 20 years to not even get rich. So I just thought, let me take the easy way out, which is YouTube. So I don't know really what to do today, so I'm just gonna think of something. So by the time I click the off button on my camera, it'll be like in an hour's time. It's just gonna look like it wasn't in an hour's time. You get what I mean? So yeah, so I'm just gonna put this thing that says 12, or I mean an hour later, so that it can look like it's an hour later. So enjoy. I'm glad you enjoyed it. That's great. Now, what we're gonna do today is we're gonna be attempting a try not to what. Okay, we're gonna be reacting to my. Actually, no. What can we do? Okay. Oh yes. Oh my goodness. Connie Ferguson just bought a new home. It's a mansion. But anyways, what the flip? I don't know. Okay, what must I actually do? Okay. All right. All right. Okay. Hold on. Actually, I'm thinking I'm just scrolling down through YouTube. All right, Cardi beat this is Nicki Minaj. Let's watch that shit. Okay, 3, 2, 1, start. Cardi B. Hmm.
The Nicki Minaj Cardi B feud rolls on. In her acceptance speech for Best New Artist, Cardi seemingly had some words for Nicki. But first, let's recap what's been going on for the past week. Do we have to? Yes. Okay, just to get people caught up. All right. Here's Nicki talking about her female rapper competition in a chat with Tidal. Then Cardi's response on Instagram Live. Then Nicki's response on her Queen radio show. Okay.
Having a big push from a label does not make you great.
Oh! Ow! 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 Anyways, oh! Dang! Having a big push from a record label does not make you famous. Hold on, I'm just gonna go make a meme about this. So so Nicki, what do you think about Cardi B's new album, Bold Together? What do you think about it? Yeah, like bitch, just having like one good song doesn't make you the best artist in the world. It just makes you a lucky time winner. Like bitch, just how many times Voted Yellow went platinum? 9 times. Counting that all around together, that's more times than your whole album and your whole song went platinum. Bitch, huh? So what? I mean, more irrelevant. I mean, anyway, what? I've been more relevant than you for about like 9 years. So what, bitch? That'll make you a superstar. I mean, that just means that let's get back to the point of the video, right? Okay. What was I doing there? Like, what was I doing? I think I was just bored, just like cry for help. So let's just get back to the point of this video. Flip, man. Screen record this shit. Look at him, wrist.
And to me, doesn't mean that you're my competition or you're not my competition.
If everybody can have a number one, then why not everybody have one? Why is that? Why?
Look at it. Oh my gosh, what did I do now?
Playgirl fragrance body lotions with
Hold on. Flip, man. I'm sorry. Now the video has just started all over. I have my oh my flip, man. Oh my.
The Nicki Minaj Cardi B feud roll in a chat with title.
A big push from a label. A big that you're my competition or you're not my competition.
If everybody can have a number one, then why not everybody have one? Why is that?
Look at the people that are on her stream. That's like nearly 90,000 people. What the flip, Cardi? Like, how are you so big? I can barely get like 10 people on my stream. Oh yeah, my Instagram was at Absent Versace.
Because you can't buy people career. You can't make people love you.
Now, I didn't know Cardi and I had an issue, but I guess we do, as I'm saying, and other people are saying it.
Now let's get to the clip where Nicki Minaj beats Cardi. What? Huh? Chris Brown and Beyonce have a song together. What the flip? I never thought I'd see that day. Hold on. Let's go. Nicki. Oh my flip. Nicki beats Cardi B ass. Let's see. Not to be rude, but Cardi, this girl has grown fat. Yeah, Nicki Minaj has gotten fat. I'm not gonna lie. And the who like Knuckles. And who like Pablo. And who like Go. Yeesh! Dang!
And it's on side.
Dang, man. Did you see Cardi B's face? Dang, they beat her ass. I'ma beat her ass. And she did it. I thought Cardi B was all ratchet, and this is a bad look for her. Like, this is quite bad. Because she's always talking shit about how she can beat people up and, knock them out and do all that shit. But, like, she just got beaten up by Nicki Minaj. But, again, there is the weight difference, so. But Cardi B also got plastic surgery, so you never know. But, plastic is not that heavy, so maybe it's just regular fat for both of them. But anyways, yeah, I guess I'd say like Nicki Minaj won this shit, cause I'm not gonna lie, Nicki Minaj has been in this game longer than Cardi B. Cardi B got famous over what's the song called? Oh yeah, Bodak Yellow, yeah. But who am I to judge? I'm just like a 12-year-old stupid idiot who just, who's just trying to plug his Instagram so that he can reach 300 followers at Absent Versace. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's get to the second point of this video of like like why I left. What me this that. Also follow my man KG Milan's vlog. KG Milan vlogs. That guy's amazing. He puts so much time into his editing. He actually needs more views. Like he works harder than me. He's deleted most of his videos because he wanted to start afresh because he felt like he wasn't getting enough views. So guys, peace.